What's up, everybody? This is your boy Tech G back with another video to help you successfully pass the CompTIA Network Plus N10-007 certification. So let's get into it. In this video, you're going to learn about network event management, SIEM, SNMP monitors, and network performance metrics such as bandwidth, throughput, packet drops, error rate, and utilization. Let's talk about event management. This is the process that monitors all events that occur through the IT infrastructure. It allows for normal operations and also detects and escalates exception conditions. An event can be defined as any detectable or discernible occurrence that has significance for the management of the IT infrastructure or the delivery of IT service and evaluation of the impact a deviation might cause to the services. Events are typically notifications created by an IT service or monitoring tool, and the purpose of event management is the following. It has the ability to detect events, investigate, and determine the correct control action. The events, such as warnings and exceptions, can be used to automate many routine activities. It can provide mechanisms for early detection of incidents, and some types of automated activities can be monitored by exception, which reduces downtime. Next, let's talk about SIEM. So, Security Information and Event Management Technology supports threat detection, compliance, and security incident management through the collection and analysis, both near real-time and historical, of security events, as well as a wide variety of other event and contextual data sources. The core capabilities are a broad scope of log event collection and management, the ability to analyze log events and other data across disparate sources, and operational capabilities such as incident management, dashboards, and reporting. Let's talk about SNMP, which stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. So SNMP, this is an internet standard protocol for collecting and organizing information about managed devices on IP networks and for modifying that information to change device behavior. Devices that typically support SNMP include cable modems, routers, switches, servers, workstations, printers, etc. SNMP is widely used in network management for network monitoring. SNMP exposes management data in the form of variables on the managed systems organized in the management information base, which describe the system status and configuration. These variables can then be remotely queried and in some circumstances manipulated by managing applications. Let's talk about network performance metrics. So network performance monitoring, this is the process used to track, evaluate, and diagnose the performance of a network. With the variety of devices, technologies, and network environments continuing to expand, the definition of optimal performance can vary significantly. Network performance metrics are the measurable outputs that indicate how the infrastructure and services are operating as a part of a short-term and long-term network performance evaluations. Real-time analysis of these metrics allows teams to identify potential problems on the network and prioritize IT resources and response according to impact. Over time, network performance metrics support a long-term understanding of end-user demands and help in building an adaptive network that meets future business needs. And some of the network performance metrics that you need to become familiar with are bandwidth. And this is the maximum data transmission rate possible on a network. For optimal network operations, you want to get as close to your maximum bandwidth as possible without reaching critical levels. This indicates that your network is sending as much data as it can within a period of time, but it is not being overloaded. And the next one is throughput. And this measures your network's actual data transmission rate, which can vary widely through different areas of your network. While your network's bandwidth measures the theoretical limit of data transfer, throughput tells you how much data is actually being sent. Specifically, throughput measures the percentage of data packets that are successfully being sent. A low throughput means there are a lot of failed or dropped packets that need to be sent again. And the next one is packet drops, and this examines how many data packets are dropped during data transmissions on your network. The more data packets that are lost, the longer it takes for a data request to be fulfilled. And then we have error rate, and this is the frequency with which errors or noise are introduced into the channel. Error rates may be measured in terms of erroneous bits received per bits transmitted. And then finally, we have utilization. Network utilization, this is the proportion of the current network traffic to the maximum amount of traffic that can be handled. It indicates the bandwidth consumption in the network. While high network traffic means the network is overloaded, low network traffic means that the network is not busy. If the network load reaches or exceeds the threshold under normal conditions, this will result in low network speed, interruptions, timeouts, etc. The network load is an indicator of the network utilization. All right, so that was my short little class on network event management and metrics, where we talked about network event management, SIEM, SNMP monitors, and network performance metrics such as bandwidth, throughput, packet drops, error rate, and utilization. Now, if you felt like you've gotten something valuable out of this information, go ahead and hit the like button, share button, drop a comment, but most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Also, go check out my website, Technology G, so that you can get read up on the latest and greatest to help you successfully pass the CompTIA Network Plus N10-007 certification. And until next video, ladies and gentlemen, peace.